شوف كساد قيامات. هذا المحل مال التايلانديين، صيام تايلاندي. شوف وباص امان يجيش اللي هو متروس امام متروس. ها شوف اللعبة.
A sandstorm and thunderstorm hit several areas in the Sultanate of Oman, causing poor visibility and traffic disruptions. This evening, the Sultanate of Oman experienced a severe sandstorm accompanied by strong winds and thunderstorms that struck several areas of the country, most notably the governorates of Al-Dhahirah, Dakhiliyah, and Al-Sharqiyah. The storm caused almost complete loss of visibility on the roads, slowing traffic and temporarily halting some domestic flights. The Public Authority for Civil Aviation of Oman issued urgent warnings to residents and drivers to avoid highways and use protective equipment when traveling, especially in open areas. It also called on citizens to follow official weather forecasts and not be swayed by rumors. The storm also caused trees and power poles to fall in some areas, while videos circulated on social media documenting the thunder and winds laden with heavy dust, a rare occurrence at this time of year. Meteorologists expect the storm to continue until tomorrow evening, with the possibility of scattered rain in mountainous areas. They also pointed out that these weather phenomena are the result of a low-pressure system centered over the Arabian Peninsula.
Vai, يركبوا. شوف قدامه.